What's the meaning of beneath? Beneath. Beneath.
Beneath. Beneath. Beneath is a preposition that refers to something that is located at a lower level or position. It implies a physical or metaphorical condition where one thing is covered or hidden by another. For example, one might say that the roots of a tree are beneath the soil, or that someone's true feelings are beneath their surface-level expression. In literature, beneath can also denote a darker, suppressed or hidden aspect of a character or situation. Overall, beneath conveys the sense of something that exists in a lower, more concealed layer, either physically or figuratively, and indicates the need to look beyond the surface to truly understand a matter.